This is gonna blow your mind. Get ready for the Snore-cast. Prepare for heavy turbulence in your bedroom around midnight. Pillow coverage strongly advised. We're expecting a snore storm of epic proportions. But wait. Breaking update. An unexpected silence front is spreading rapidly. That's right, folks, peace is making a comeback. Partners are celebrating, doing victory dances and sleeping like babies. Clear nights, quiet skies, and a snore-free forecast. Good night, sleep tight. Snorecast cancelled.